Hello, today we'll be doing a code forces problem that is a amusing joke, and problem number here is 141A, that is, I guess. So the problem statement states is, so the New Year holidays are over. Santa Claus and his colleagues can take a rest and have guests at last. When two New Year and Christmas men meet, their assistants cut out cardboard, the letters from the guest name and the host name in honor for this event. Then they hung the letters above the main entrance. One night when everybody went to bed, someone took all the letters of our characters' names. Then he may have shuffled the letters and put them in one pile in front of the door. The next morning, it was impossible to find the culprit who had made the disorder, but everybody wondered whether it is possible to restore the names of the host and his guests from the letters lying at the door. And we need to verify if there are no extra letters, and nobody will need to cut more letters. And let's check the input and output. So the input statement here will be three strings. That is the first one, first name, then the second guest name, and the third shuffled guest name, which will not exceed more than 100. And we need to output yes if these two strings combined give us is present in this string. And I'll just show it in the whiteboard for more clarity. So here's the part text. I'll just make this a box and just copy this part here, paste it. So as we can see here, I've gotten a string that is A, and this is my string B, and I've got here string C. So let's call this A, let's call this string B, and I've got this string as string C. So basically C will be the combination of A and B's. Okay, so what we can do is we can just take the string A and check if all the characters of string A are present in here, and then we'll check if all the characters of string B are present in here. If both the characters are present, then we'll be returning yes, and if not, then we'll be returning no. And the edge cases that here are, we can say, or which we need to take care of, is that whatever my these strings characters are only present in the string C. There cannot be any other letter present in this string. So as you can see, Santa Claus here. So Santa is present up till here. I'll just make a space so we can see it clearly. So Santa is present here. See, we have got Santa in C, and let's say for Claus, it's here, and DEDMOROZ. So we have got DED here, that's here, and MOROZ. So we have got all the characters present in the A and B here. So mind you, if we have got another character which is not present in A and B, so suppose we had an H here, so then this would result in a no. We wouldn't have printed yes then, because H is not present in either of the strings A and B. So this should be no. And the approach for it will be, let's see the code. And yes, I'm using Sublime Text. This editor is called Sublime Text. So first I'll be taking three inputs as suggested in the question, and the approach will be to add these two strings, that is A and B, my input strings. I'll just add those strings. So whatever I've got, that is Santa Claus and Moros, whatever I've got there, I'll just add these two. So A plus B should be added. So let me just form a sentence in here. So this should be this, and I've got this. So this will be my new string, and mind you, this can be jumbled even. So if I add these strings, I shouldn't get the exact string. It is not necessary. It can be jumbled even. So I just have to sort these strings. So if I sort this string and this string, it should be in a alphabetical order. And if two strings like here S and S match, that means we proceed. We go on to the next element, that is A. So all these characters are matching, but after that, mind you, this will be a sorted string, so there should be C and whatever, let's take an example, whatever character is coming here. So all these matches, then only we proceed. And if in an instant we see there are two strings which do not match, then we'll just simply break out of the loop and return no. And that is what we are going to apply in our code. So let's see the code. The code here is, first we'll add those string, we have concatenated it, we will sort our concatenated string, and then we'll sort our this answer string which we have got, it can be jumbled even, and then we'll mark a flag value which is equals to false. Why? I'll just let you know. I'll get to that. So here we are doing, we are just checking if these two sizes of string, if these two sizes of string are unequal, that means here in the next string we have some extra letter which is not present here. That is obvious. So we'll just return no, and we are making flag as true here. And we will check for the occurrence or matching of the two characters, that is this and this, only if my flag's value will be false. So we'll just sort this, we have already sorted it. So that means now whenever I get into this loop, this means that all the characters present here are of the same length. Not the characters, I mean these two strings are of same length. So this will be it. So I'll just check for that, and if the characters after sorting is same or similar, then we'll print yes, we'll get out the loop. Or if we at any occurrence, if we find the characters in A and B mismatched, then we'll print simply no, and we'll mark this as true so as to avoid printing true, yes or no both the sentences, whereas we only want either yes or no. If we do not mark this as true, it will print no and yes both the answer, which we don't want. And it is running. I'll just check this with a test case and show you. So I'll just copy this and paste it here and run this, and the desired output should be yes, I guess. Yes, it should be yes here. And let's just wait for a minute. I don't know, it takes much time in my compiler for some reason, because I have a shitty laptop. Yes. Okay, we are getting yes. So let's just submit this. See, I've submitted it and it got accepted. And if you want the code, I'll just link it to the description. Thank you for watching.